My songbird. My songbird. First met her in a biker bar. She had a face like a Nashville star. Her voice sailed out over her guitar like a songbird. Club was small and the crowd was mean. Didn't mean a goddamn thing when she stepped up to the mic to sing. Every badass in that place had tears rolling down their face. She took them all to a sacred place, yeah. My songbird. My songbird. I was just passing through her town, another lowlife run around. All that changed the night I found my songbird. I had words I had never shared. She had things she had never dared. I got to admit, never been so scared. Wrote a poem on a board slip. She said, hey, I got a tune for this. That song turned into a kiss, yeah. My songbird. My songbird. Now it's no more biker bars. She's a real life Nashville star. Our songs sail out over her guitar like a songbird. Though we parted years ago, we're still good friends, you know. We've got a lot of songs to go. Me, I'm living down in Mexico, on the beach with a girl I know. She don't sing, but she dances slow, so slow. Do 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 do.